Let's shatter a myth. You're not just tired, you're nutrient-starved. Chronic fatigue often signals a deeper issue than just lack of sleep. Nature's Pharmacy offers extraordinary solutions. And today, we're diving deep into 3 life-changing herbs. First up, ashwagandha, an adaptogenic powerhouse that helps balance stress hormones and reduce burnout. Give your body the calm reset it craves. Next, we have rhodiola, a go-to for athletes and adventurers. This herb supercharges physical recovery and boosts mental clarity, making it the ultimate all-in-one remedy. Stick around until later, because at 7 o'clock, I'll reveal the herb that saved me from my worst burnout ever. Spoiler alert, it's moringa, packed with iron, vitamins, and all the good stuff your body's been begging for. Ready to combine these? Find out how at the 10 o'clock mark. Comment energy if depletion feels all too familiar and like for weekly wisdom like this.